Gutwala kubaabira bo wali mutawaana tujja kukola nnyo.
Thank you to the Archbishop Sabasumba Kosimogere for blessing the service today. Thank you so much. Of course, our legendary Councilor from NCA for coming through. Uganda Funeral Services, it's a special thank you to you. The interim committee and the cabinet of whom this wouldn't have been possible without your hard work and your commitment. Every artist who has come through today, but a special thank you to the families of the fallen soldiers who accepted our invite to come here today. Today is not a day to celebrate death, it's a day to celebrate life of these artists that left us. If there is not so much that we can get from them right now, but we can learn from their lives, we can learn from their achievements, we can learn from their failures, so that we don't forget where this industry started from. There's so many sacrifices that have been made to make sure that I am standing here, that every artist behind me is standing here. Uganda Funeral Services, I am amazed by how detailed the policy is that they have designed for artists, and I encourage you. Today I don't want to dwell on that, but I encourage you to look through the leaflet that is available to look at the policy that I've tried to create for an artist brand and image of Fejiri, very unique. We don't work on a salary, we work when we get work. So I've designed a package that is good for us. We want to live as an artist and also live this world as an artist. We don't want to only have the best stages when we are alive. We also want to have death that is worth talking about, that is worth celebrating, because when we are alive, we touch so many lives. So we don't want that last day of our lives to be a day of shame, but let it be a day of glory. Later, I'd like to encourage you that your people are remembered. They are celebrated. Everything that they did, we remember, and we learn from it every day. So thank you so much for honoring our invite today. I'd like to encourage all artists who are here today. I know not all of you are registered under PUMA, but it's a good thing to register under PUMA right now because there's so much that we have in store for you. I also want to encourage every ministry, every time there's always been a narrative that we are not together, but look at us now. Nobody was paid to be here, nobody was forced to be here. So thank you for standing together with us.
oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukizo mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio ffe bakafulu mu kkuba ebifaananyi n'okukola vidiyo. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukizo ebirungi eri ebirooto byo ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku namba zino noti 7 noti 2 emu noti 4 emu 25 oba noti 755 31 731 oba noti 777 noti 23 4 noti 5. King Montage Photo Studio ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukizo ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.